Today I'm going to show you how to sprout green whole moong bean in a very simple, easy way at your own home. It's filled with health benefits. Include this in your daily diet. It's a good source of protein. At the same time, it's a great source of anti-oxidant, and it helps lower your heart disease and lower your cholesterol. So let's get started with these simple, easy methods. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. Whole moong bean looks like this when you buy it from store, and it doubles in size after soaking, and this is how it looks after sprouting. For this process, I'm taking 2 cups of whole green moong in a large bowl. Moong beans are small legumes, also referred as green gram. A 1 cup serving of moong bean contains 15 grams of fiber and 15 grams of protein. The protein-fiber combination helps in stabilizing blood sugar level and very easy to digest. Always make sure to wash well before soaking at least 3 times until the water runs clear. This is how I rub and rinse well in lots of water so that we can get rid of any dust particles. It's a good idea to pick and discard stones, broken beans, wrinkled beans so that they sprout faster. Now I'm going to soak them in enough water. You may soak them overnight. I prefer to soak them at least for 9 to 12 hours. This is how they look. Drain them to a colander. Always use fresh water to rinse them very well again so that it's completely clean with zero contamination. That's the beauty of doing it at home. Here comes the fun part. All I need is a large bowl and a paper towel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tear a big portion of the paper towel according to the size of your bowl and place it vertically inside the bowl first. Just like this. Now tear another big portion of paper towel and place it horizontally inside the bowl. You can also use thin cotton cloth if you have. I prefer paper towel because I don't have to rinse it in between. Now pour the drained moong bean directly into the paper towel. Cover from all sides. I grew up seeing these done in a cloth, and I thought, why not use a paper towel instead? You don't have to buy a container or a cloth for this. This can easily be done using a paper towel. Just sprinkle some water and leave it in a warm, dark place overnight for 8 hours. After 8 hours, I'm opening it now. You can see how they look. They have started to sprout. You can use it as is, but I'm going to keep it longer. I'm going to cover, sprinkle some water, keep it for another 12 hours. Can't wait to see how they look now. See for yourself, they have sprouted beautifully. It also depends upon the climate you live. They sprout faster in warmer climate and takes longer in colder climate. So sprouting at home is hygienic, unlike the store-bought ones. They taste sweeter and delicious. Do give it a try. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe. I'll be showing you how to make a simple moong dal wrap, sprouted moong dal wrap. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.